What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the crypto babe, postcard diva. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there this afternoon? Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we're going to talk about how to make daily pay online, right? But the topic is, or my thumbnail says, it's rejection-free proven system. That's what I want to point out. So go check this out at www.thecopypastemethod.com, all right? And see how you can earn daily pay income. All right, so it's rejection-free proven system. We're going to try to keep it brief but to the point. So this is not an MLM, all right? So that's why it's rejection-free. No selling, no chasing friends and family, no DMing or messaging strangers online, okay? So this is not the typical system where I know you like, hey, I got to go find people to show this opportunity to. No, we show you how to do it the right way, okay? So we're going to have for you a getting started checklist, okay? You're going to be able to go in and watch a new video every day. We keep it simple, guys. This is a simple formula, okay? But you must be coachable. You must be committed. You got to take 2 hours a day, okay? It doesn't have to be 2 at one time, 30 minutes here, 10 minutes here. Split it all up, however you need to do it, okay? And you got to take action, because we can show you all day what to do, but you've got to implement it, right? But it's simple. We got people from all walks of life, all ages, following this simple system with a 2-hour workday, all right? So what's making this rejection free is we're giving you step by step what to do. You're not having to reach out to people. Okay, so if you can press play on your smart device, we give you a new video every day that gives you action steps to take. Okay, and then you're going to need to, as I stated, put it into a 2-hour workday. We give you content ideas, what to create, okay? So I'm going to show you an example of what you would do. I'll give you one example. I'm going to show you that here in a second. But spend about 15 minutes a day engaging in the community. We have a great community of over 5,700 people where people are doing this, okay? People are doing it. Can't guarantee that you're going to do it because I don't know if you're going to do the work. But it's possible. It's possible. All right, if you can follow a few simple instructions. So, we've got mentoring, guys. Every week we got 3 to 4 calls that you can attend. Guess what? If you can attend them, they're going to be recorded. You can go back and watch them later. All right, so we've got everything in this system. Not just you buying the digital products. Yes, you got to buy the digital products. But then beyond the digital products, we have a community and we have the training that we're going to give you so that you can be successful with this opportunity if you take action. All right, so let's take a look at just an example of what you would do, right? Let's take a look at something. Check it out. What would be an example? Copying and pasting ads that we give you. That's in your digital products, right? It's in your digital products. Telling you how to do it. But over here, we've got in our community some tips for you. Look, a 4-minute video. Can you watch a short video that's going to help guide you in what you need to do? That's what we have here, okay? So you're going to buy your digital products. We've got 4 products, right? We got a $50 product, a $150 product, a $300 product, and a $600 product. right? So it's a one-time payment, no monthly fees, okay? It's $39 for the $50, $150, or $300 product. That's for your website. And if you get the premium, which is the one I just upgraded to, the $600 product where you all in, you leave no money on the table, is $59 for your website, right? One-time fee. So you get your product, your digital products. You have all the ad copy you need, what you need to post. Come over here, get your tips, get your video. Just click on one video. Tells you what you need to do. Okay, so you can just copy and paste. Can you do that? That's just one method. I'm just giving you one method. That will be one method, all right, that you could do. You can make a video. You can make picture posts. Several things, but we show you that. So my tip is just showing you today copy and pasting, whether it's images, the pictures, we have all that for you, picture images, or it's actual verbiage that you can paste. We show you where to put that information. And then what that does is what? That is attraction marketing, right? That's where the attraction comes in, where you actually putting out information. If someone wants more, they're going to ask you, hey, please provide more information. And that's where you would give them your link, where they would go to your capture page, right? Put in their email, they watch that video. Either they're in or they're out. It does all the selling and telling. Then, if they decide they want to move forward, they will purchase the product. Digital products, okay? That's it. So the goal is to put out the information, which is attraction marketing. And then if someone's interested, then they asking you. So see, there's no rejection because they're asking you for information. You're not chasing them. See the difference? Okay? Piquing interest, that's your goal, is to pique the interest. We'll show you how to do that. So therefore, it's rejection free versus you going through your phone, calling someone, saying, hey, you got a few minutes to look at something, that type of thing, right? We're all pretty much familiar with that. If you've ever been in network marketing or MLM, that's how that's done. Go through your phone, write down all your contacts, go through all your Facebook contacts. You know, you're chasing folks down. We don't do that, okay? This will be organic traffic. People are asking you for information, okay? So now we have a rejection-free business, and it's been proven. So let's take a look at that. It's been proven. All right, so here is some proof. Once again, $50 starter in my live. I just made $50 on my live. Not my first sale, but first on my lives. Now I know I'm getting my message clear to those listening. Here's somebody got their first ding, first win. I made a sale. I love on here how no matter how big or small, everyone celebrates your wins. So you got 5,700 folks in the community that's cheering you on. Now check this one out. This person right here says, this was crazy. I thought this was funny, so I thought I would share it. I had 4 premium sales within 11 minutes of each one. Do you know what premium is, guys? That's the $600 package, the $600 digital product. This person said they just had 4. That's $2,400. Okay, so these strategies are working because these folks are following the simple steps. Okay, so if you want to get more information on how we're earning daily pay following a 2-hour workday with a step-by-step daily blueprint, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. We will show you how, and we'll see you on the inside. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day. Come back. We've got to do another update for today. We'll see you on the next one.